Taxi Reservation. This website created for helping people to reserve the taxi. Homepage. Here is our homepage for iTaxi Reservation. The yellow bar above is for member login before reserve for taxi. The orange bar is the menu for reserve the taxi, checking reservation code, and view the detail of this site. The following bar right-hand side is the contact information for user can contact directly and follow the news update from this app in social networks, Twitter, Facebook and weblog. Login. The user has to log in the system by click on the login button right side above. You can see the login form. For their first time, they have to register the system before. At the register form, they have to type their informations and save them to the database. Username. Password. Confirm password. Name. Email. And phone number. And the complete registration message will be shown. The user can back to login page and log in to reserve the taxi. 1. If user lost or forget their password, user can go to Forget Password page. This page will let user fill their username and email. Make sure that username and email is matched for each user before press Get Password. It will show your username and password. Then, go to Login page and start use iTaxi Reservation. For the reservation, the user must log in to the system before reserving. Then the user log in and go to the reservation page. You can see that in the text box of user ID, username, name and phone will show your information automatically, but if you want to edit for something, you can do. 1. For the origin, it has two choice for you that are favorite place and other place. If you often go to somewhere, the system will store the data of the place where you go frequently, so you can choose to select your favorite place if you want. On the other hand, you can select other place to go another place or somewhere that is not your favorite place. 2. Date. You can select date that you want to service. You cannot select date ago. 3. Next is about time. You can select the time that you want to service from taxi driver. 4. Last is the destination. It also has the feature same with the origin that you can choose favorite place or other place. When you finish to fill in the information surely, please press on Save. When you save the reservation completely, the system will show the alert message that include the information of reservation code, date, time and the origin place where you want the driver to receive you. Please press on OK for confirm your reservation, then it will show the reservation complete message. Checking page. After reservation, member can check the reservation code to find the information by click the checking button. Search code form is appeared. Member have to enter reservation code into text box and click search button. The show code page is shown and include the information of code about user ID, customer name, phone number, driver ID, date, time, origin place and destination place. 1. About Us page. This page is about the history of our company, our services, and our goals. Contact Us page. Have two sub-menu. 1. About the comment. Customer can give a comment to us. Use this form below. Name, phone, email, and comment. After finish comment, press comment button. The feedback will send to us automatically. 2 is site map that will show the information of our company include address, phone number, fax number, email, and map. Profile page. This page is profile page that show information of user. User can edit their profile by click edit button. User can edit all information and must fill password every time before save. Information is already changed. History trip. This page is show this history trip of this user. For the admin system, You must log in as administrator. When you go to admin page, you will meet the welcome message and you can see that it has the tab of menu above that include plan, member, driver and contact us. First select plan on menu. On the plan page, it will show all of reservation that all user request. For each request, it will include code, user ID, customer name, driver ID, date, origin, time and destination. Moreover, you can see that on the right-hand side it has the menu add driver and the sub-menu. From this menu, if you select and visit the page, the administrator can manage and plan all requests from this page. The administrator will select the code of the user reservation to match with the taxi driver and then for the driver to service that customer. If the administrator finished to manage, then press on save. You can see that the customer will be selected to match with the driver in the first row of plan page. Finish to manage the reservation of the user. Next, if the administrator select member from menu, it will go to the member page. For this page, the administrator can see all of users who are the member in the system. For each member, it will store and show user ID, username, customer name, phone and email. The third on menu is driver. When the administrator visit on driver member, on the right hand side will have sub-menu that it has two menu for the administrator can choose. First is the list of driver. If the administrator selects this sub-menu, the program will show the list of taxi driver who are working in the system. The last menu and sub-menu is register driver. This page is for the new driver who want to attend the work. The driver must fill in the information finally.